How to use green screen on CapCut. Tap on New Project and choose an image as the background. Or you can also select multiple images as background. Then tap on Add. Click on Overlay at the bottom of the screen and tap Add Overlay. Then select the green screen image you want to add to the background. Tap the green screen video and scroll the tools at the bottom. Find the Chrome key button and tap on it. The color picker will pop up. Then you can select the green color or any other colors you wish to be removed. Tap on the intensity. Then you will see a slider at the bottom. Drag and drop the slider until the selected color disappears. Sometimes the lighting of the subject may be different from the background lighting. In this case, you can tap on shadow to decrease or increase the shadows. Export the video.